Are you looking for a budget gaming PC that can easily handle your favorite games? Many of the best PC games can play well on a budget gaming PC. It doesn't matter if you're short on cash. In this video, I am going to show you the best budget gaming PCs, but before we continue, consider subscribing and hit that like button. It's free for you to do, it doesn't cost anything, and it will help my channel. If you're on a strict budget, then watch the full video. Number 1. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR. This powerful gaming desktop comes with huge power that can easily handle your favorite desktop games. Everyone can't afford to buy expensive gaming computers. This budget gaming PC is certainly up to the challenge of giving you a quality gaming experience. But CyberPower Gamer Extreme will save your budget and will give you best performance. Also, CyberPower Gamer Extreme has 4 included RGB case fans that do not just make the system cool, but also keeps it cool. It has the best design, strong performance, competitive price, easy upgrading, plenty of storage, and a fast boot time. When you decide to purchase gaming accessories, you must know about NWG Technology and its best tech solution. Purchasing online from the NWG store can make shopping easy and gives you quality products. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme comes with a 2.9 GHz Intel Core i5-9400F processor, 8 GB of DD4 2400 MHz RAM, 1 TB hard disk drive, 120 GB solid-state storage, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 6 GB graphic card, Windows 10 home operating system. CyberPower has an attractive design, strong performance, competitive price, spacious interior for upgrading, plenty of storage with both HDD and SSD. The system runs quietly and has a fast boot time. Number 2. Acer Aspire. Acer Aspire TC895 UA92 desktop is one of the best values around for under a $500 budget. Acer brands are a good budget alternative for people who need a gaming PC but can't afford the premium brands. It's solid in performance and has the best support for your money. This gaming PC is strong enough to run 191 games, capable of running at 2.9 GHz. An internal chip allows this PC to run 989 of the most popular 1,000 games at a recommended level. This Acer Aspire comes with the 10th generation Intel Core i5-10400 6-core processor up to 4.3 GHz, 12 GB, 2666 MHz DDR4 memory, 512 GB NVMe M.2 solid-state drive, 8x DVD writer double-layer drive DVD-RW, Intel Wireless Wi-Fi 6 AX200 802.11ax, dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz featuring a 2x2 MIMO technology, Bluetooth 5.1, 10, 100, and 1,000 gigabit Ethernet LAN. 1 USB 3, 2 Type-C Gen 1 ports up to 5 GB per second, 5 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 1 front and 4 rear, 2 USB 2.0 ports in the rear, and 2 HDMI ports. Windows 10 Home, USB keyboard, and mouse included. It has a nice look and dashing design, classic cover, and its uniquely ridged edges makes it more attractive. On this machine, you can also view presentations, spreadsheets, and video quickly with 8 GB of high performance. Number 3. Dell G5. The Dell G5 is a powerful, competitive gaming desktop with easy upgradability. It provides smooth performance for 1080p games, along with excellent productivity options. The software is easy to use and the chassis looks great, and it's not as expensive as other gaming PCs. The Dell G5 is conveniently compact. The surprisingly compact design takes up minimal space, making it easier to adjust your full gaming setup or transport your PC to LAN parties. Unforgettable design. A distinctive gamer-inspired design with blue bezel LED lighting and optional clear window side panel gives the G5 gaming desktop a dynamic look and feel that stands out among the crowd. Upgrades made easy. By loosening the 2 thumb screws on the back of the system, you can easily remove the side panel to access the internals of the system and upgrade your CPU, GPU, memory, and hard drives. Tell us in the comment box which computer is in your budget and if this video helped you to find your best gaming budget PC. Don't forget to visit the link in the description for gaming gadgets. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you!